Hello everyone, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this editional of today's newspaper of Friday the 13th November. Yes, November, Friday the 13th. The third Sudoku I will do is a binary Sudoku. And this Sudoku will be a number 1881. And before I start, I want to know what kind of binary puzzle is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here and O, then O. Double one, here and O, then O. Double one, here and O, then O. Double O, here and one, then one. Double O, here and one, then one. Double one, here and O, then O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1 and there 1. Yeah. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be a 1, this should be an O. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So this should be, so this could be an O or 1, or this could be an O or 1. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Yes. 1, 2, 3. If I place number 4 here, the fourth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then we need to compare, I think. Yeah. O10. Do we have O10? No. O. Oh, no. We need to compare the columns, I think. Yes. The first column and the sixth column. Yes. 1 1 empty box, empty box. 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here and O there and O. Double O here and 1 there and 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finished in 6 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the last Sudoku, a tectonic with 3 stars. Bye bye for now.